guys, it is Sunday, December 5th, 2021, and I'm sitting in my hot car. Just got out of church, and my son wanted something to eat, so we came here to get him something. They're inside, my husband and my son Evan. We've been talking about what we're going to do today, and I think today the plan is not to get too crazy in the packing. It's Sunday. I don't like to do much in terms of, I want to edit. I like to edit. I like to work on my planner. I like to, relax. Whatever that is, I like to do. Typically, also, I go on my friend's live. She does paparazzi, and she does her lives on Sunday, but she changed that. She's no longer doing them on Sundays. She's actually doing them during the week, which gets a little tough for me to get on her live. I don't want to get crazy. I don't want to do nothing too crazy today. So I'm thinking, I was telling my husband that I want to work on the linen closet and the towels, that this way I can fill in some of those boxes from yesterday from the bathroom. So I kind of want to do that. And I know he wants to go through some of his clothes in the dresser that he's not wearing and don't fit. I told you guys he's lost tremendous amount of weight. Yesterday they went to the movies and he wore some jeans and they were falling off. They are like 3 sizes almost. They look like too big. It was ridiculous. So he's just going to go through some of the drawers and get rid of the clothes that don't fit him and help me out with the linen closet. And I think that's it. I think we're just going to relax today. And that's the plan. So I'm not sure how much vlogging will get done, but I'll definitely show you what I do, bring you about in my day today. All right, my friends, that's it. I'm going to turn on this car, so I got to go over there. I can't just hit the button. You have to put your foot on the brake and then hit the button to turn it on. Otherwise, it won't turn on. Because I'm actually boiling in here. It's 12:37, and I lay down. I'm still in my church clothes. But I even still have my shoes on. I know. But I came upstairs. I put a load in I'm trying to finish up the laundry right now. So I put a load in, and then I came upstairs, and it's kind of cold up here. So I just laid down. But I got to get up. I'm going to take off my makeup and stuff, but I'm going to show you what I want to do. I'm going to go through the linen closet. So I'm going to get all the sheets out. This is going to stay here. This is my eBay shipping station, and I'm going to get that out. So I'm going to do that. Like I said, eBay is staying for now. That's going to be the last thing I'm actually going to pack. And then down here I have towels and eBay shoes. I'm just going to try to work on the towels. So that's what I'm going to do. And I have some sheets here. And then, Chad, if you can take this one off, that's okay, because I can pack it up with the bathroom stuff. I'm take it easy today, huh? Just do the simple things like this. I'm on the floor. I haven't even changed, and I'm not going to. We're just going to go with it. My husband said, if you want to box the shoes that you want to box for eBay, do it now. I'm like, okay. I'm going to go through all these and be done. Okay? Ready to go. Oh, we did it. Oh, that was my weekly exercise. Oh, gosh. Okay. I was trying to help me up, but we couldn't do it. All right. So let me show you what I kept to sell. Okay, it's 1:44. We're done. We're just I'm going to show you, but we're pretty much done. But we have days where we work good as a team. And I think I've mentioned this in my last move from that house to this house. We work good as a team, but in moments, we have our moments where we're like, okay, we're done. You go to your corner and I'm going to go to my corner. That's where we're at. We're tired. We've been at it. And his favorite Steeler, his Pittsburgh Steelers are on and he wants to go relax, which he should. He should. Okay, let me show you what I ended up with. So this is my eBay shoes that are not listed. That's all I have. That's it. And the reason why the box is bigger is because I have mini boxes in there to help protect some of the shoes that need protecting. So that is it. I am so happy. That's good. That's really, really good. I mean, I do have the boots that I showed you that I'm going to list. I did away with matched sheets that are super, 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 super old. I can't find either the fitted sheet to it or whatever. It's gone. So technically, as far as sheets, we only have what's on our beds. That's it. It's going to be a wash the sheets, and then use the sheets, wash and use. I don't have anything. The only thing I have that I'm going to pack that's extra are these twin sheets. The whole set, twin. That's it. That's it. That's all I'm packing, because that's all the sheets we have that are extra. Everything we have on our beds is my bed. This Calkeen is not even going to be moved. This is going to be trashed. It's a memory foam bed, and it's hurting my back. It's like super, super old, and it's like that needs to go. So that's it. That's it.
Those black pillowcases, take those off?
The shams?
Or no?
Yeah, because he probably sleeps on it from time to time, so I'll wash it. So I'm gonna that's it, guys. Honestly, I didn't need another box. I'm gonna be able to seal this bathroom one that I got from yesterday, and I'll be able to seal. Yeah, that's it. And then all my decorative towels, I gathered them up here, and I even gathered up the not decorative, but my newer washcloths. I even put those in here because I'm going to have her use the ones that it's going to be wash and use, and then I'm going to throw them out once we move because they're that old. I'm only going to keep a handful of things out. You know how it feels a little liberating. It feels good to dwindle on some things, and I say this as we're going to tackle my makeup drawer, my makeup palettes.
Where do you want to?
I'm going to pack it in that one if it fits. So if you want to just lay it right here for now, these can go downstairs.
Yeah, just take one now and take one.
Sure, yeah, absolutely. That's it. I'm just going to put those towels in my bathroom underneath the cabinet.
And then you can edit your things.
And I'm done. That's it. I'm not doing anything else. Wait a minute.
Wait.
I
just did a whole bunch today.
Yeah, we're going to relax. And we're going to have... And the best thing is, guys, we're having leftovers. It's going to be a good, relaxing Sunday after all, huh?
I hope so.
Why? Oh, unless your Steelers don't win. Yeah. Good luck. Good luck. Your team kind of needs it. I'm back. I want to show you what I sold. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I was looking for these jeans. And so I have 3 totes. 2 big totes, or regular totes, and then a small tote. And it's women's jeans and stuff like that. And so I went to the one tote, looked through all of it, nothing. Second tote, all of it, nothing. And then the mini tote, nothing. It was in the first tote that I went through, and the first jean that was on top. Wow. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what I sold today. I sold these jeans from Styling Company. I sold these slim leg 20 women's. These here, brand new. Sold these, which great. I sold these. These are Volcom. Let me get you the right do right. The Volcom Macaw Mod Tech men's board shorts. And then I saw, this is a cute one. This is Craft and Borrow, extra soft, large. Let me make sure it's this one because I have two kind of similar. Large, yeah. So this one, Craft and Borrow, and it's really, really pretty. Really pretty. Let's see the back. It might get better. Like that. And this is really, really soft, like super, super soft. And then I sold these. These actually sold last night, but because it was Saturday and the mail lady already left. But these are so cute, so cute. So I sold these. These are from Robies. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. My store has been not doing too good. Pretty slow sales this past week. I mean, I'm lucky if I get one in a day. I need to work on my store more. I haven't put anything up. All right, guys, I'm gonna go relax. I'll be back. Ooh. I'm back. So look, and I still have this piece of hair. 252. I was putting the label on my last pair of items that I just got finished showing you when I got notification that I sold something else. It's a LuLaRoe extra large Carly, the Carly dress. It's really pretty. It has paisleys on it. You know I love paisleys. So this one sold just now, and she just paid. That's it, guys. Now after this, if I don't get another sale, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, edit, relax. 3 o'clock. All right. Okay, guys. So it is 7:34 p.m. and I'm ready to wind it down. But I want to talk with you guys just a little bit. Have a little chit chat with you guys. I want to let you guys know that today was really a good day. Actually, for the past 3 days, I've had some really, really good days. Mentally, I've been feeling good. Now, there are moments in my days where, you know, I just find myself in that thought process of mom or whatever. But overall, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really, 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 really good. And today is one of those really good days. I feel like I'm starting to breathe a little bit better. But I think that there's a lot of factors that are happening amongst this difficult time. Number one, you guys know I'm going through something very difficult for me in my personal life. This thing that I'm going through is going to take time, but I feel some days real strong, some days I don't feel so strong, but today was a really good day. The other thing too, I'm editing a video from November 17th. And I'm editing this particular video and I'm showing you my room and it's pretty messy. I'll put the video here. I love to sell on eBay. And before, I used to do a lot of thrifting, tremendous amount of thrifting. And it was just me selling on eBay. I pulled in way too much that I could not even sell. You know, I'm a one-man show and that's what I said on there. But anyway, the thing what I wanted to say was that I have really purged a lot and learned a lot about my store and what I want, but I've also purged in my personal life, and that has made me grow, believe it or not. This whole thing, this moving, the change in my personal life, the purging of things, it just seems like God is just so in control of everything right now. Well, always, you know, because in my life he's center, you know. I don't know how to explain it. It's just I don't know where we're moving to. I don't know where we're going to be. I don't know what we can afford. I mean, things are so darn expensive. The rent is ridiculous. And the fact that also, you know, I was doing this whole thing in my mind of where I was last year to this year. And I'll put a video right here. I had the Rona, I had COVID. I'll put the video here. I know some of you hear every video, but I always think of the new person, watching this video, and they're going to be like, what? And I've been doing that whole thing, where was I last year, this year, last year, this year? And I know I can tell you last year, this day last year, I was okay. I knew I was going to be okay. Maybe that also has, I hype that anticipation of November, Yeah. And I still talk about it, but it's different. It's becoming different. It's like I laid a new memory this year. I put a new memory in there. It just seems like there's so many blessings that are coming out. Anyways, I gotta go downstairs. I got some laundry. I've been yapping it up for 11 minutes. And I just wanted to share a little bit of how I'm feeling right now. It's scary, but not in a scary, like, it's not like fear. Like you're so fearful that you're like a deer caught in the headlights. It's not that kind. But it's just scary, exciting. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Thank you for listening to me. And yeah, tomorrow's a new day. But let me go finish the laundry first. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.